That's for a...
Hammock goes there.
hammock.
Yeah, my hammock. I've had the hammock there all last summer.
Did you? Is this one mine?
Let's go.
Yes, I...
Yeah, because she didn't like it.
Huh?
She wouldn't like that one.
What are we barbecuing, Bob? Let's see what we're barbecuing.
You can pretend.
We ran out of room on the barbecue, so we had to bring the wings inside. We're just putting this upstairs now to keep them warm a little bit while we do the pork. We're going to sear the pork pretty good, because you want that stuff dead. So there's only 9 pork steaks and 8 steaks, or half dozen steaks. 5.
I think we'll start.
We should make it, eh?
Half a farm full of chickens in the oven.
No, we're finding a way to nothing.
We're beating away to nothing here. It's been 3 hours now since I ate.
I don't know nothing about him. Wow. I don't even know who he is.
Who's that?
The guy who owns that house.
He's a professor at University in Cornerburg.
Yeah, but I said I don't know who he is. Don't know where he's from.
Oh, I talked to him last summer a few times.
Yeah. Is he from Cornerburg, I wonder?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, I suppose you're starting it now.
Yes. It's 3 hours now.
I offered him a piece of fish. He never had any. I had a piece of fish. How's me flour? Still there?
Oh yes, the flour's still there. Yeah, but you pitch on my leg and see how long you'll live.
Is Sean coming over?
I would guess not. I asked him. Told him come on over 80 minutes.
His father phoned him to me.